Hello and welcome. My name is Charles Barthelemy, CEO of Barthelemy Commercial Capital, with offices located in Atlanta, Georgia, and Chicago, Illinois. What I want to do today is I just want to take a couple minutes just to talk a little bit about Barthelemy Commercial Capital and what separates us from other companies, other brokerage firms, other banking institutions, traditional and non-traditional. I'll give you a prime example real quick here. Let's say you walk into a Bank of America, a bb&t, a Wells Fargo, PNC, you get the point, and you're seeking just a small loan for a startup business. 9 times out of 10, that financial institution is not going to grant that loan for a startup business because it does not fit their blueprint or their portfolio. Let's say you need a church funded. Let's say you need a liquor store funded. Let's say you need a gas station funded. In most cases, your big banks and your traditional financial institutions, they'll just tell you, well, unfortunately, it doesn't fit our blueprint or it doesn't fit our portfolio. Now, what separates Barthelemy Commercial Capital from other funding institutions and financial institutions is that we say yes when banks say no. That's what separates us. Now, you're probably asking yourself, how is it that your company is able to do the project and these larger financial institutions are not? This is because we've taken the time, I always have to say 17 plus years, in building relationships with traditional and non-traditional financial institutions, private equity firms, private investors, private individuals, that all they do is specialize in these particular projects, whether it's a church, a liquor store, a gas station, apartment buildings, a restaurant. I can go on for days. These companies and these particular individuals, this is what they specialize in. We've spent over 17 plus years building solid relationships with these particular companies. So, with that being said, when a project comes over and one of the companies receives a project from us and they see the name Barthelemy Commercial Capital, instantly they say, this is a company that submits a very clean package. They submit valuable deals. Not to mention, this particular funding source, this is all they specialize in. Whether it's a church, whether it's a liquor store, whether it's a restaurant, this is their specialty. So, to make a long story short, Barthelemy Commercial Capital, we don't have to shop a project. We make a phone call because we've taken the time to build those relationships with those particular institutions and those private institutions to where it's that we can go directly to them. So I just want to give you a little background, what separates us and why we're continuing to move in the right direction, to improve, to excel in this particular industry. And that's what separates us from our competitors. So with that being said, I'd just like to thank everyone for viewing. And I hope this gave you a little insight on, on what Barthelemy Commercial Capital does. So, if you have any projects that you would like for us to take a look at, feel free to give us a call at 404-860-1770. Or you can go to our website, www.barthelemycc.com. Once again, that's www.barthelemycc.com. Phone number 404-860-1770. Until next time, ciao.